Welcome to the Bay East Association of Realtors. You know our mission. Now, experience our culture.
We love to delight. You can see our smiles. You can hear our laughter. You can feel our welcome at every Bay East event or class, or even just entering the Bay East offices. We love to delight.
We promote compassion. Bay East supports our local communities and each other. We offer a helping hand to those in need, and we make our neighborhoods even nicer places to live.
We are transparent. Bay East is open for business. That means we're open to your ideas. We're open to your input. We're open for you to get involved with what Bay East is doing today and where Bay East is going tomorrow.
We listen, then we act. The realtor profession is constantly changing. We listen to what you need now, we listen to what you'll need tomorrow, and we deliver cutting-edge resources.
We value results. Your success is our success. We measure every service, event, product, and interaction by how it helps you succeed as a real estate professional.
Delight, compassion, transparency, listening, and results. This is our culture, and this is what makes Bay East who we are.